Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these results. So today I'm going to be doing a product review showing you Bumble & Bumble's new Bb.Bond-Building repair treatment. It's a tongue twister for me, so I had to look at it. But yeah, so I'm just going to cut this short and we're just going to jump right into it. So, and this is how it looks. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this heifer up. As most of you guys know, I do my little oil treatments as well, so I'm going to be incorporating that with. So let me get my little briefcase. If you guys see my previous videos, this is how I deep condition my hair. This is my heating cap. Let me just get that rolling. There we go. So I'm going to take my hair and I'm just going to take my hand, I'm going to spritz it with some water. And I know my water bottle looks dusty as hell, but ignore it. He fell one day and just Humpty Dumpty himself. I refresh my hair throughout the week, so I like to incorporate some peppermint oil in here just to stimulate my scalp. And sometimes when I'm watching TV, you know, I'll add that with my oil and just massage my scalp to generate some blood flow going, and you know, that stimulates hair growth. Make sure to get those ends. Y'all, this smells so good too. Y'all see how crazy? Okay, next to this side. And make sure we leave no curl behind. Alright, next I'm going to get some of this oil that I made and just rub it in. Alright you guys, so I didn't realize that my volume went out, so that's nice. I was just saying that here, since my hair is low porosity and I just got the shower, I like to spritz my ends so it doesn't get all frizzy and whatnot, and just make sure it stays all moisturized. So that's what I'm doing here. And here I'm just going to be using their conditioner as a leave-in and just applying that all over. So next up, I'm going to be applying the Repair Styling Cream. This stuff smells so good, you guys. It smells kind of like something with honey infused. I don't know. but it's super moisturizing and it's not heavy and it doesn't weigh down my curls, which is something that I love because I love my volume and I hate products that weigh down my hair. And last but not least, going to be applying some of this bad boy. This is my favorite product of all time. It is Curly Magic from Uncle Funky's daughter, and it's their curl simulator. You guys, this gel is the truth, okay? If you guys seen my old videos, I did a product review on them already, and this product is one of my staple products in any of my wash and goes, simply for the fact that their curl simulator, it's not a hard gel, but it does give you the definition that you want without weighing your curls down, without giving you that nasty cast, and it's just magical. It's truly magical, y'all. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do a voiceover because I just noticed my audio wasn't even on this whole time, so that's fine. I'm gonna wait till my hair dries and then I'll get back to you guys, but so far my curls are looking super juicy and super moisturized, so hopefully it dries beautifully and yeah, and I get a lot of volume because y'all know I love my volume. So I'll be back to show you guys the results. Alright, you guys, so a couple of hours later, this is my results. I am loving the results, you guys. My hair is super defined. I have a lot of volume. It's bouncy. There's definition. There is shine. It's just, ooh, love it. 0 to no frizz as well. Alright, so here I just want to do a little length check real quick, and my hair is officially now booty length, y'all. So turn up real quick, okay? Alright, so here I was trying to explain to you guys the size of this thing, and it is smaller than my hands, and my hands are pretty small, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I went 11 minutes into talking in this video, and it wasn't even recording any sounds, so I'm just gonna try to go ahead and repeat what I said. But as you guys can see, this is the results of my hair. If I had better footage, I'll just do a voiceover, but I'm loving the results from this. It did a damn thing. I loved it. So like I showed you guys, after my wash, my curls are pretty much, well, moisturized. It looked like the results were great after. So I actually do like the repair treatment. I think it is a bit pricey. It's like $34, you guys, for this little ass bottle. For this little ass, I feel like you get more Olaplex though for like less. I feel like Olaplex is a bit cheaper, and you do have the options to buy a bigger one or downsize, but I feel like this is just like one size that I saw on Ulta, and $34, baby, that's a lot of money. I know curly hair products can be a bit pricey these days, but $34, it's a lot. But if you guys are thinking about going out and purchasing these products, please feel free to DM me if you have any questions on how I liked it. Make this video for you guys so you guys can kind of see before you do purchase it, and just my overall opinion. Like I said, obviously what may work for me may not work for you guys, and who knows, maybe it will work for you guys. Try it out if you want, but I will say though, if you're thinking about buying this or Olaplex, probably get Olaplex. I think it's a bit cheaper. Olaplex, you can get the 8.5 ounce for $28, and this is just 4.2. So for Olaplex, for the 8.5 ounce one, you get it for $28, and you do have the options of trying out the mini size if you want to try that one first. But for this one, you're just gonna get the mini ass one, and it's $34 damn. So I would definitely recommend Olaplex because it's a lot cheaper and you do get more product. I feel like this is a good product. I just think they should have made it a bit bigger for the price that it is, but that's just my opinion. I guess a little might go a long way. I did use a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little product review on Bumble Bumble. I know my recording might be all over the place once I edit this video. I apologize, you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And comment down below if you guys have any questions. And like I said, feel free to follow me on my social media, Snapchat, IG, whatever you want to follow me on. And definitely, if you have any questions, feel free to just ask me, and I'll do my best to answer you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.